understanding that I'm serving as a leader, serving my team versus them serving me is a great takeaway and tip. What's another element of ideas for leadership within a firm?
Sure. Recognize, and this is hard for lawyers, we're very egotistical creatures. Recognize that unless you have had explicit management training or you have had leadership experience in some other field or realm, you're going to be bad at this when you start out. You're going to alienate people. You're going to drive away bright young talent. You're going to be bad because leadership is a skill set. And you have to start from square one. You have to humble yourself to the slow process of educating yourself through experience, through trial and error. And you don't get to be a great leader from the word go simply because you bill 2,500 hours a year and you got 2 million in business and you haven't lost a jury trial in 4 years. None of that matters. You're going to be bad, and find something you like about that as you educate yourself along the way. And if you approach your firm as you should and say, hey, I need some supports, I need some guidance, and that's not forthcoming, guess what? The entirety of the world's knowledge on how to lead is in your palm of your hand right now if you want to look for it. I can't tell you how many podcasts and books and YouTube videos and seminars I've turned to develop this. I talk to folks like you. I still have a great relationship with my former mentor. I'm never not educating myself on how to get better at this.
Yeah. It's like most things in life. It's a never ending, education. We always have to keep learning, and growing is a way of moving forward and advancing. And I think the day that we stop and say we know everything's probably, a bad day. That's just not how life is. Even golf pros that shoot, under par, that are on the tour, constantly getting feedback from their caddy, constantly getting feedback from coaches and people helping them with their physical side and the mental side. It just doesn't stop. And I think that's really a big takeaway here from this chat.